The quality of your morning shower can drastically impact the rest of your day. That's why SparkPod's Power Range Showerhead has been designed to provide a high-pressure shower that simultaneously relaxes you. By immersing yourself in the monsoon-style downpour, the powerful showerhead helps to evenly distribute water, keeping your body warm while quickly removing soap and shampoo. Built with these in mind, the tool-free installation fits to any half-inch pipe in under 5 minutes. The adjustable head allows you to effortlessly tilt it in any direction, providing you with the ultimate comfort every time. The stylish chrome finish is the perfect addition to modernize your home. The rust-proof nozzle uses anti-clogging technology to prevent hard water buildup, making sure you always feel the full force, while also providing a low-maintenance solution that lasts for years to come. The unique design offers an ultra-high pressure flow while utilizing the minimum amount of water possible, saving you from splashing over your utility bill. Each purchase also comes with free Teflon tape for the best possible results. Start and end your day right with SparkPod's Power Range Showerhead.
Immerse yourself in a luxurious shower with this simple yet elegant rectangular shower head and wand combo. Finished in chrome with white detail, it is sure to complement any contemporary bathroom. The shower head provides a rainfall-style shower with 124 nozzles or 6 massage jets by the turn of the knob. Make showering effortless, especially for all the hard-to-reach places, with an easily detachable wand. With a flip of a switch on the wand, 61 nozzles can provide either a rainfall-style shower or a waterfall-style shower. 5 colors are available: chrome, oil rub bronze, antique bronze, gold, and titanium silver.
Your shower is one of the most important aspects of your bathroom, and your shower head determines the quality of your showers. Improve your home with the elegance and luxury of the SparkPod Showerhead. Improve your shower experience with high-pressure rain. Installation takes just 5 minutes. This elegant design features beautiful chrome and 90 silicone jets for a high-pressure, high-flow downpour. The SparkPod Showerhead is adjustable to fit any desired angle. Save on water while being treated to a spa experience. Self-cleaning shower heads remove hard water buildup. With 2 color choices to match your style. Treat yourself to a luxury spa experience at home. Achieve the shower experience you've always wanted with the SparkPod Showerhead.